Hi students. So myself Dr. Birnath. So I am a chemistry lecturer. So last class we discussed about basicity of amines. Some little bit is discussed. So now today I am going to discuss about basicity of substituted amines and also basicity of aliphatic amines. So now we will discuss about basicity of substituted anilines. So in this basicity is also most important topic for IIT and NEET level. Okay. So basicity of substituted anilines. So in this basicity of substituted anilines, same electron releasing groups are plus sign, minus sign effect, plus sign effect, plus sign, or plus m, or hyperconjugation increases Kb values. If Kb values increases means automatically basicity increases. So in the presence of electron releasing groups, basicity increases. So in the presence of electron withdrawing groups, it shows minus effect and minus m effect only. So therefore decreases Kb values. Therefore decreases Kb means basicity decreases. So this is the main concept. So keep in mind, in the presence of electron releasing groups, basicity increases. So in the presence of electron withdrawing, basicity decreases. So I am taking general example, substituted anilines. So this is aniline. Substituted aniline means I am taking a general example G. G means any group, whether it is small or large group. First we will discuss about large group. So this is substituted aniline. It reacts with H plus means donation of H plus. So formation of ammonium N plus H. Okay. So G. So conjugate acid. This is used conjugate acid. So in the substituted anilines, this position is ortho position or not? So 1, 2 position is ortho. So in ortho substituted anilines, the basicity is weaker than the aniline itself. So this type of substituted means ortho substituted anilines are weaker bases than the aniline itself. Why? Because of in this, to observe this, ortho effect is predominant, means ortho effect takes place or not. So here ortho effect takes place. So that's why substituted anilines are less bases than the aniline itself due to ortho effect, means steric hindrance. So takes place because of steric hindrance due to steric hindrance. SIR effect takes place. Steric hindrance resonance effect takes place. For example, in the group means the only larger group only takes place in this ortho effect. For example, groups like OH or NH2, this type of groups does not show steric hindrance resonance effect. Does not show SIR effect due to these groups are small size. Therefore, this SIR effect does not take place in the presence of genus OH or NH2. So I am taking general example to observe this one. G means large group. This is aniline. Is attached to NO2 group, orthonitro aniline, and one more is metanitroaniline meta-nitroaniline, and third one is para-nitroaniline, para-nitroaniline, and fourth one is aniline. It is reference. Okay, aniline. So observe these four compounds, given four compounds. Which one is more basicity? Which one is least basicity? Based upon these effects, electron releasing group decreases basicity. Electron withdrawing group increases. Electron releasing groups increases basicity. Electron donating group decreases. Withdrawing group decreases basicity. So observe these are electron withdrawing group or not? Electron withdrawing group means decreases the basicity. So one more thing is in NH2 this is ortho effect takes place or not? Ortho effect. So ortho effect takes place means SIR effect takes place. Therefore this is less basicity among four. Why? Because of due to ortho effect means one is very less basicity. Ortho effect. Now what about second, third and fourth? So here in this minus I effect only takes place, minus M effect does not take place. But in para-nitro, minus I or minus M both are takes place. So therefore which one is more basicity? Second one is more basicity. Second one is more basicity than the third one. So what about aniline? So automatically aniline is more basicity than the it's a substituted aniline. So aniline is references, first one is, fourth is more basicity than the second one and third one and first one. So these are a basicity order. For example, here NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. NO2 is replaced by for some examples of electron releasing group like CH3. So I am taking one example. Simple example. Same aniline in ortho position is electron releasing group CH3. So next meta position also CH3 electron releasing group, and next para position NH2, this is CH3, and next aniline itself. So tell me the answer. Which one is more basicity? So here electron withdrawing groups decreases the basicity. Electron releasing group increases the basicity. So what about 4? Means these three are electron releasing groups are attached. So to observe this, here also ortho effect takes place. Ortho effect takes place or not? So steric hindrance resonance effect takes place. Steric hindrance SIR effect takes place. So therefore first one is least basicity among 4. Okay. So first one is least basicity. Next, what about first, second, third? Which one is more basicity? So this first means this higher effect is it shows higher minor a plus I effect. Here plus I effect also shows, it also hyperconjugation also takes place. So due to hyperconjugation, plus I effect, plus M effect means basicity is more. Therefore paramethyl aniline is more basicity than meta. And next least is aniline itself means fourth one. Least one is ortho. This is the order of basicity in the presence of electron releasing group. So in the presence of electron withdrawing groups. So this is the basicity concept. So next aliphatic amines in the presence of aliphatic amines. So it is very very important concept. So whether it has a regular or competitive level also is very very important topic for aliphatic amines. Basicity of aliphatic amines. Basicity of aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. Whether it has primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay. Same. I am taking one general example. Primary means R, NH2, this is primary amine. R, NH, R dash, secondary amine. R, N, lone pair of electrons, R dash and R double dash. This is tertiary amine. So primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. These are in two cases. For example, in gaseous phase, in gaseous phase, which one is more basicity? So obviously tertiary amines are more basicity than the secondary than the. Why? Because of inductive effect dominates. So here in primary amines, electron donation is less. Means electron donation. So electron donation takes place in less. But here is more electron donation takes place. More electron donation takes place. So here inductive effect dominates. Inductive effect. So that's why tertiary amines are more basicity than the secondary and than the primary. So in aqueous phase, in aqueous phase, what is the order of primary, secondary, tertiary amine? Same primary, secondary amine. So here two effects are. It shows two effects based upon the two effects. One is solvation effect and another one is steric effect. So these are mainly based upon the steric effect and solvation effect and also inductive effect. It decides the basicity in aqueous. For example, in primary amine means RNH2, it reacts with H plus, formation of ammonium cation and ammonium ion. This ammonium ion is solvation with water molecule H2O. So H2O and next H2O. So more here primary amine is more stable compared to tertiary. To observe this again in RNH, this is secondary amine. So formation of Rn plus R H or H, H2O, H2. But in tertiary, it is less. Tertiary is very less. Tertiary H2. So this is least stable. This is followed by solvation effect. This is called solvation effect. Solvation effect. What is steric effect? Steric effect means, to observe this, here tertiary and then secondary and primary. Which one is more steric effect? Means here steric effect is more or not? More steric effect is possible or not? Because of crowding. But it is less. It is less steric effect. So therefore, which one is accept electrons easily, whether it is primary or tertiary? So primary amines are easily accept protons. Easily accept protons. So therefore, in steric effect, which one is more basicity? Primary amine is more basicity. Primary or secondary? Primary amine is more basicity than the secondary, than the tertiary amines. In solvation effect, primary amine is more basic than secondary and tertiary. So this is inductive effect, solvation effect and steric effect. So based upon three effects in aqueous phase, among primary, secondary, tertiary, which one is more basicity? Which one is more basicity? Among three, secondary amines is more basicity than the primary, than the tertiary. Why? Any reason for in aqueous phase? Secondary, for example, R NH R dash is more basicity than the R and H2 and R tertiary amine. In aqueous phase, if R is equals to methyl group, small size group, not bulky, not large size. So which one is more basicity? In the presence of R is equals to CH3. So secondary amine is more basicity than the primary than the tertiary. So in alkyl substituted aniline is stabilized by not only electron releasing group of alkyl group, it also affects on solvation. It also affects on solvation to water molecule. Keep it in mind. So in alkyl substituted amines, so the stability means the stabilization is not only by electron releasing of alkyl group, it also solvation to water molecule. Therefore secondary amine. But especially in secondary amines, two alkyl groups, these two alkyl groups are better stabilizers to conjugate acid. Better stabilizers to conjugate acid in secondary amine. In secondary amines, two alkyl groups better stabilizers to conjugate acid. Therefore secondary amine is more stable than more basicity than the primary tertiary. When if R is equals to CH3 only. So here which type of effects is dominated? Solvation. Solvation is more dominated than the inductive effect. In the presence of R is equals to CH3. Solvation effect is more dominated. But here if R is equals to C2H5, but R is ethyl group, not methyl group. For example, C2H5 NH C2H5 and next C2H5 N C2H5 C2H5 and next C2H5 NH2. In this also secondary amine is more basic than the tertiary than the primary. Here to observe this, what is the difference between if R is equals to CH3, R is equals to C2H5, both are aliphatic amines. Here secondary amine is more basic than the primary than the tertiary. But here secondary amine is more basic than the tertiary. So what is the reason for this tertiary amine is more basic than the primary amine? To observe this, here if R is equals to CH3, solvation effect is dominated among inductive effect. Here means here inductive effect is dominated, means steric effect than the solvation effect. Because of C2H5 is a big size. C2H5 is big size due to steric. That's why it is tertiary amine is most basic than the primary amine. So keep in mind, in the presence of R is equals to CH3 means secondary amines are more basic than the primary amine than the tertiary. But in the presence of R is equals to C2H5 ethyl group, here tertiary is both are common, but here tertiary amines, secondary is both examples are common, but tertiary and primary. So keep in mind, here inductive effect dominated, means steric effect than the solvation effect. So than the solvation effect, here solvation effect than the inductive effect. So this is the simple explanation of basicity of aliphatic amines. Okay. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe to my channel, Dr. Ranganathan.